Web Development Course in Chennai. Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Navigating the journey to becoming a full-stack web developer. Overview of full-stack development. The increasing need for versatile professionals in full-stack web development is shaping the job market. The comprehensive classes cover HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fundamentals, equipping learners for both client and server-side responsibilities. Front-end mastery. Full-stack developers must navigate browser compatibility, responsive design, and DOM manipulation. The courses ensure proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, providing essential skills for effective client-side application development. Back-end proficiency. Server-side programming expertise is crucial and emphasizes proficiency in languages like Python, Node.js, and Ruby on Rails. Learners gain hands-on experience to excel in creating robust and scalable server-side applications. Collaboration and version control. Collaboration is key, and understanding Git commands for version control is essential. The courses teach students to manage code repositories, fostering skills vital for seamless collaborative development in a team setting. Comprehensive skill set. Building a well-rounded skill set should prioritize database administration, encompassing the crucial aspects of data management, security, and performance optimization. Familiarity with web frameworks. Django, Flask, Express.js, cross-browser compatibility, and responsive design are all part of commitment to creating well-prepared, safety-conscious, and logically skilled full-stack web developers.